Bless up.
Ghost Gang family, what is up with y'all young boys today? I'm coming back at y'all with another video. Hey yo, we talk about some sneakers again today, man. You dig what I'm saying, man? First off, before I get this video started, man, I just want to say shout out to the whole gang, man. Y'all stay showing love on IG, y'all stay showing love on Twitter, man. I just want to thank y'all a lot, bro. And if you part of the Ghost Gang family, man, make sure you spam out that ghost emoji in the comment section, man. You already know what time it is, man. GGF, my nigga. GGF in them fucking building, you dig? We taking over 2018. 10K on the way, man. Also spam out that 10K in the comments, bro. We on the way, bro. We at 8,300 right now, and we moving up steadily. So we just waiting for that big boom this year. That's it. We just waiting for that big boom, and we just gonna keep this shit rocking, man. Also, man, I understand a lot of y'all guys hit me up on Twitter and be like, hey bro, you should stream 2K. That's what I'm gonna do, man. I'm gonna start streaming 2K. So man, make sure you click that link in my bio to my second channel. I'm gonna drop 2K videos on there. Also click that Twitch link. I'm gonna put my Twitch link in the bio as well in the video description. So man, make sure y'all click that Twitch link and sub to the channel or whatever, man, and follow the channel. You did what I'm saying? We're gonna get this shit rocking in 2018, man. We taking over all platforms. I want all social media platforms taking over. Follow the IG as well. But anyways, man, let's get into these shoes though, man. We talking about the retro 13s, you dig? Well, first off, I want to say the Westbrook is dropping his shoe March 1st. You can catch those on all sneaker apps. I'm pretty sure they're dropping on Foot Locker, Champs, all that bullshit. You could catch those, the Why Nots. Westbrook has a clean signature shoe. It just depends on the colorway it's in. You feel me? In every colorway it don't look straight, but it's in a red and black colorway that's coming out March 1st, and I believe they're retailing for like 130. I don't know. I gotta look up the price, but I ain't do too much research. But I just know this a fire ass shoe. I would wear it to hooping. I wouldn't wear it casually. I would wear this motherfucker to hooping. You did what I'm saying? But it's a clean hoop shoe. It look like it got a lot of ankle support, especially for that Achilles heel, man. Very sensitive spot on the foot. But anyways, man, next shoe, dog, man. March 3rd, my nigga. This is spring break month. You feel me, man? It's about to be lit next month for me. You dig? But yeah, March 3rd, bro. Retro 13s, white and royal, man. The white and royal. This is like a flip of the candy cane 13s or Chicago 13s, if you want to call it. But it's just in a blue colorway, man. What y'all want to call these? The Kentucky 13s? Hey, man, we call these the Kentucky 13s, but you already know, man, these retailing for $190, man. March 3rd, man. Make sure y'all got y'all pockets ready, bro. March actually gonna be a lit month, man. Yeah, it's actually gonna be a lit month. You got some retro 3s dropping. You got 2 pair of retro 3s dropping, some 10s. But we gonna get into those in another video, man. We gonna say that for another time, man. But 50 likes if y'all want me to review those shoes on this channel. If y'all want me to bring a video updating y'all on when those dropping, the price points, quality on it, man, let me know, man. Hit the like button. We aiming for 50 likes every video. Even though we don't hit it sometimes, we still gonna aim for 50 likes, because that's the goal, man. You're supposed to reach higher than the set goal. So fuck it, we going for 50. If we get 50 plus, man, shout out to the fucking gang, you dig? But anyways, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if you're new. Make sure you spam that like button, and also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. All that shit will be in the description box of this video. And until next time, it is the one and only MajorKixx gang.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03.